How to fix Duolingo Audio Not Working. First, if you're having any kinds of audio issues on Duolingo, what you want to do is you want to make sure that your device isn't muted first. Swipe down on a control center and make sure your volume is set to the level of the volume that you can actually hear. After that, what you want to do is you want to simply make sure that the sound isn't muted on Duolingo. Tap on three dots over here inside the app and tap on your profile. Inside your profile, you want to simply go to settings and you want to simply tap on preferences over here inside your preferences. If you have these sound effects often turned off, you want to simply turn it on from here, and by doing so you should be able to hear audio on the Duolingo application. If you're still not being able to hear the audio, you want to simply restart the application, or just to make sure you restart the device as well once, and by doing so you want to simply open the app again and try your lessons again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.